In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the date and time format in Mailchimp. We'll walk through the process step by step to ensure that you can customize your settings according to your preferences. Let's get started. First, you'll need to navigate to your Mailchimp homepage. Once there, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're new to the platform. This view is your command center and where you manage your campaigns, lists, and overall account settings. Up in the top right corner of your homepage, you'll see your profile icon. Go ahead and click on that. This is where you access various settings related to your account, including your profile preferences. After clicking your profile icon, you'll notice a drop-down menu. In this menu, select Profile. This section contains all your personal data that Mailchimp uses to tailor your experience. It's important to keep these details accurate and up to date for the best possible user experience. Once you're in your profile settings, look for the Settings tab. Click on that to proceed to the next section. Settings is the hub for altering various preferences related to your account, offering granularity and control over your experience. Within the settings, you should see an option labeled Details. Click on Details to move forward. This section is crucial because it's where you'll find the preference adjustments for time and date formats, among other things. Think of this as the space where you fine-tune your account's back-end experience. After clicking on Details, scroll through until you find the Date, Time Format section. Now you're at the point where changes can be made directly. You'll see various format styles available. Choose the one that suits your reading preference, perhaps switching between formats like a day-month-year layout versus a month-day-year layout. Once you've selected your desired format, take a moment to double-check your choice to ensure it's exactly what you want. A small tip here is to pick a style that matches how you naturally organize your calendar or diary. It can make processing your schedule a little less cumbersome. Lastly, it's time to save those new settings. Look for the Save button, which is typically situated at the bottom of the page or at the top. I recommend scanning both areas if you don't see it immediately. Click Save, and voila, your date and time format settings are now updated. And there you have it. You now know how to change the date and time format settings in Mailchimp. This simple but effective tweak can help make your daily interaction with the platform smoother and more personalized. Thanks for following along, and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful guides on mastering your digital tools.